Hi guys, Daniel and John here and welcome to another one of our videos, and in today's video we're going to be looking at four-way stretch and what you can use it for, how to fit it and the tools that you'll need if you are going to take on a project. Over to John.
So it's normally, and it's known in the trade as four-way stretch carpet. And why is that? Because it will stretch in four ways, basically. That, yeah. And it will mould. You can hear it as you do it, you can hear it moving. The fabric has got two sides. Please take note of this. If you want, traditionally you would apply the adhesive to this side and you would have this nice fluffy, almost like velvet side, this side. But you can have a matte finish, it doesn't matter.
So that's the matte side.
That's the matte side. So in all normal cases you would apply the adhesive to this. Yeah. When you apply the adhesive, what's something like this. Now the company we bought from supplied the four-way stretch carpet and the adhesive, which was convenient.
We'll put a link in the description to them as well.
So when you spray across and you want to overlap by an inch or so, then you want to spray down and you want to do that to both the panel or surface you're doing it to, even if it was like on top of a table, and then the back of the four-way stretch carpet. Tools you'll need is a tape measure, just to measure up. When you're measuring up, allow a good 6 inches overlap so you can tuck behind like we've done here if necessary. But that also gives you something to pull on the stretch. When you're stretching this is what we found, and it is unbelievable, it will stretch around these contours and that. Once you get your adhesive, you're using the adhesive to anchor this and then literally just pull it round and it will just literally stretch all over. So tools required: tape measure, a utility knife, something to, you can use your fingers if you want, a pair of scissors. So we've never used this product before, ever. I think it's absolutely amazing what you can do with it. You could do headboards, dining room chairs, you could upcycle with it, you could do all sorts of things with it. It literally transforms vehicles.
Cars, vans, camper vans, speaker boxes. You can get it in different colours as well. This is obviously the black, but you can get it in grey.
You can get it in grey, beiges, white, I think, all sorts of different colours. It's just a great product. It took us, to do this, to cover it, probably about 10-15 minutes, and that's as novices. We are novices, but I think you'll agree it is a nice finish. This card had, door card had scratches and bits, and we just want to uplift the vehicle. So we've got the sort of fluffy side on, which is this. If you had a matte finish, that's the sort of effect you'd get.
Yeah, it's entirely your personal choice.
It's a personal choice. Some people use a flat, you know, for the roof lining, so you don't get glare of light and things. But hopefully this has helped you. It's a cheap way of, especially doing door cards and roof linings, etc.
Backs of seats. There's a lot of uses for this, to be honest.
You get it and you think, do you know what? I can use that and smarten that up with it. It's really useful. So a 3 metre by 2 metre is about £50, but that does come with adhesive. So it's not a bad deal when you think about it.
You can get more. The company we bought it from, you can get a lot more.
Yeah, they do
more adhesive and all sorts of stuff.
And really good who delivered it. We've never dealt with them before, but really good. But yeah, this was a tied old door card, and it's just simply transformed it. So hope it's helped you along a little bit with transforming your projects.
So thanks for watching, and we just want to make this video just to show you, if you are thinking of installing it, the tools you would need and how easy it is.
Yeah, thanks for watching.